Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off X sensitive content setting. How you can turn off sensitive content on Twitter app. So let's get started. First of all, you guys have to open up Twitter app. So I have opened it on my browser. So after opening up Twitter app, you guys have to tap on the top left corner of your profile icon. So here you guys have bunch of options. You guys have to tap on the last one, which is setting and support. So after tapping on it, it will show you multiple options. You guys have to tap on the first one, which is settings and privacy. In setting and privacy, you guys have to tap on privacy and safety. Here you guys have to tap on content you see. So here you guys can see it is display media that may contain sensitive content. You guys have to toggle off this option. So in this way you guys can protect yourself from sensitive content. Another option you guys have to do is you guys have to tap on the last option, which is search setting, and here you have to tap on hide sensitive content. You guys have to just check the mark. So after toggling it on, you guys can protect yourself from sensitive content, and in this way you guys can turn off X sensitive content or Twitter sensitive content settings. That's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.